I actually got a pack of lobster tail. It is the first week of September, meaning that it is fall, and that it also means that interest rate is at an all-time high. My mortgage is really suffering. I really need to figure out how I can save money and also be smarter with my spending as well. This is my closet. And something that I like to do every single season is take a look at my closets and see what in there that I no longer wear, and then really see if it's time to put it on Facebook or not, get a little bit of money back. Yeah, I mean, why keep it in my home, in my closets, when I really don't need it at all? Truth be told, I don't know when I would ever wear this like robe. Time to sell. Sometimes when I do want to go shopping for like maybe more expensive things, but I don't really want to pay the retail price. So actually, I like to thrift online. So a few sites that I've been on is The RealReal. Let me show you what I actually got from The RealReal before. We have the rag and bone blazer. I believe I got this for $70 to $80. Overall though, I feel like this is such a great fit. Like, it's got the lining inside, the pockets are done so nicely, and it just fits so well even with these sweatpants on. I find that staying on The RealReal or eBay or wherever you get your deals, I feel like it's a much better way to get quality products from cheap. And honestly, when I bought this, I think the seams on the pockets were still sealed, so it is 100% brand new. So sometimes in my closet I have things that are like hand-me-downs. What I actually like to do is keep the material and then change it to something else. And what I actually did was I took this to a tailor and they cut it shorter so that it's more in style with today. I do the same for pants and stuff like that as well. I usually bring it to a tailor, and always the tailor comes back to me and says, "Wow, like, I love the quality of this fabric. You can't get this anywhere else anymore." And it's true, it really is true. You can also save money on it because tailoring nowadays is actually not too expensive, honestly, compared to buying something new, and it's also sustainable as well. I'm gonna just switch over to my iPhone because we are going to do a free activity, which is bring you to the park. Are you ready? Let's go. Time for dinner time. What I like to do is I just like to make a bit of rice. Cheaper meal is honestly Chinese dish. So I got the honey garlic spare ribs, pork spare ribs, and basically like a size like this. I just add a bit of rice with it, and it basically lasts me for about 3 meals. So honestly, this honey garlic spare ribs, not a whole lot of meat. I don't think I will be ordering this again. Just finished a ton of meetings, and I think it's time for me to get a little pick-me-up. Cheers! Actually got a pack of lobster tail. They were 4 for $20. It's about $5 each, but I think it's actually a pretty good deal. Alright, so in the past, what I used to do is look up YouTube videos to see what I eat in a day and then find inspiration there and then make my meals. But now I reverse it. What I do is I like to hop into Flyers and see what protein is on sale. Protein is often the most expensive item when you are doing grocery shopping, and this really helps me save a bit of money as well. Alright, end of the workday, time to get some groceries. I'm gonna try to make a lobster roll. So I'm gonna get a bun, get some celery. I already have butter and I have mayo at home as well, so I think I'm all set. Alright, so lunchtime. I am actually going to make something sounds fancy, but from the lobster I defrosted yesterday, I am going to make a lobster roll. So what I did is actually I made a mayo mix already with celery, lemon juice. I pan fried a bit of lobster in my skillet, and I've also got the bun that's roasting at the moment. So now all I really need to do is just to assemble it, and then we're ready to go. Taste test time. So good. So good. Honestly, if you were to get this outside, God, it would probably like cost you like 15 bucks or more, probably 18 now because of inflation. So really love it. Celery is a must-have. Lobster, excellent. It was frozen, but whatever, excellent. Bun, have to butter it. It's so good. I'm gonna finish this and then get back to work. Just finished up with work, and yes, an outfit change because we work from home, meaning we have a private bathroom and a private kitchen, and what is not to love about having your own suite and your own office during work from home. Let me just take a look and see what deals I have on Uber Eats because it is almost dinner time. Very important. I don't know about you, is that I don't know if this is a hack or whatever, but I find that whenever I order Uber Eats and it's only through the discount codes, I keep getting them.
It's almost like if you are rich, you don't need coupon codes and you're ordering anyways, we're not gonna give you any. But if you are like a coupon person, then let me give you more so then we can keep you hooked. At least you're spending something better than nothing.
So I don't know if it's a hack, but I get these like quite a bit. So this month I have 40% off, up to $20 when I spend $30 on my meal. And I also have an Uber One Pass from my credit card, so I get free delivery as well, which is even better. Yeah, but I don't think I will be using it today just because I like to save these for the weekends when I don't want to cook. But on weekdays, I definitely cook, and honestly, when it's 40% off, it's actually a really good deal. Alright, so if you are also looking to save, be sure to check out this video here to see how I managed to fly to New York with my flight and accommodations completely free for 1 whole week. So you really don't want to miss out on this one. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!